guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your friend Belle Marie and I am coming to you with another video on how to apply eyelashes. Stay tuned. I'm a hot mess. I had to record this video like twice, so it's two parts in this video because it was fun, let's just put it that way. So if you want to learn how to apply lashes, stick around and I'll show you how. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is we want to go ahead and curl our lashes. I am going to put just a little bit of mascara. So I got in Walmart the Kiss Lash 101. So it comes like this. Obviously I took it out the pack already, which I probably should have left it in the pack. I'm so nervous. Okay, but I'm really excited too. Well, I need to figure out which one's left, which one's right. So I believe, okay, this one's the left. I got the real natural looking ones. So let's see. You want to measure them to your eye. So I am going to cut probably just about 3. So we're gonna get the glue. I'm telling you, I watch these YouTubers and they're just like, they pop them in like it's no big deal. All right, so they, like I was saying, so I watch these YouTubers and they just pop them on like it's not hard. And I'm like, it is hard. We'll see. All right, so it comes with this tool. I'm not very good using this tool. You think it's good? Let's try. I think it's been a good few minutes, well, seconds maybe. All right, so I'm gonna pop it in the middle. And that did not work. Look at my glue. I think I did this one, but do you see that mess that I have there? That's a mess. That is not cool. So learn from me. Be easy with the glue. This is real life, guys. Okay, I got it on. I just need to clean all that glue. I'm not gonna lie, I'm like really proud of myself right now because I did get it on. It's just the glue has to go. Okay. I'm gonna let it dry. Yes, I'm looking crazy right now, but I'm gonna let it dry. Oh, the glue comes out like nothing. Oh, yay. Okay, good. So I'm gonna let it dry and then I'll clean it up while I try to put on the other one. I'm gonna cut it again. Let's put this stupid glue on. I'm nervous for this one now. All right, while this one dries, let me see if I can kind of fix. Q-tips. Maybe Q-tips will work. Oh no, why does this happen to me? I think I got this one on. Oh, I'm so happy. I still made a mess. But it's okay because it's not that bad. You see that? It's not that bad. It's not that bad. I think I got it, guys. I think I got it on this eyelash. Not on this one. Let me see what I can do. So I think I got most of it out. But what I am gonna do is, to hide all these imperfections, that's the black glue, I'm gonna go ahead and just try and do an eyeliner to try and cover it. So let's see how this works. So I always have issues with doing eyeliner. So imagine how I'm gonna feel now that I have to do it with eyelashes on. This is a mess. This is... This is crazy. Okay, but do you see how I was able to kind of hide the glue with the eyeliner? That's the important thing. Love the eyelashes. I love how they feel. I love the fact that they don't feel heavy. So this is gonna be like a 1, 2, 3 part. This was my first try. Now let's see what happens when I try and put them on again tomorrow. Take 2. I have put on my makeup. I'm praying to the eyelash gods that this works out this time, because I don't want to do a third time. But this goes to show you, the first time you try eyelashes on is not going to be like, oh, here you go, and that's it. No, you're going to have a hard time. Okay. I laid it down. Okay, I'm gonna try with my fingers now because this whole tool is not working for me. Oh, I put eyelash glue right here. But at least it wasn't all over my eyelid like the first time. So there goes a better step right there. Okay. So what I'm noticing is the center of the eyelash is good, but the corner right here, it's not wanting to stick very well, and neither is this corner. So I'm trying to figure out if I need to cut a little bit more, or is it just my eye? I mean, I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna mess with it a little bit more. Maybe taking it out and trying to do it again. That would be like a take 3. I'm to number 3, guys, on the same day this time. Wow. Let me see the other one, if it's tacky enough. Okay. Doesn't look like it. I guess this is take 2 for this eye. All right, let's see. Again, I'm gonna try and put it right on top of my eyelid. I think this one could work. I think I got it. Okay, so you see this eye seems to be okay. I still made a bit of a mess, which I will have to clean up and do some eyeliner again. But it's not that bad as the first time. So my eye doesn't seem to look droopy to the side. It seems to be okay. Take 3 for my right eye. Ooh, okay. Okay. It's there on my lid. Okay. It was almost there. Me looking at them, they don't look very even. That's it. I'm gonna try it again. Take 4. It went. Oh my God. Is this it? Oh, my oh, 4 times the charm. Is this it? so here goes the picture. What do you think? Wow, that was quite an adventure. All right, so I say it's not completely perfect, but it's not perfect, but it's doable. What have I learned from this experience? Step one, you want to make sure that you place the eyelash, the fake eyelash, on top of your own eyelashes so you can measure it and then cut it. I, at the end, had to cut 3 of the fake eyelashes. I had to cut them off. Then you want to go ahead. So step 2 is going to be place the glue on the fake eyelash, put it down, and then step 3 is while the fake eyelash is drying up with the glue on it so it can get tacky, you're going to curl your own eyelashes and you're going to put mascara on them. I would suggest, because it always looks wet on the glue on the eyelash, so when you pick it up, kind of just touch it just a little bit to see if it's a little tacky. Once you feel that it's tacky, place it on top, in the middle, on top of your eyelash, and then start from the corners in. Start from the outside in, so that way you can, you know, place it correctly, because that was something that I failed at doing. As you can see, I had to do this eye like 4 times. Basically, that's it. I mean, they're not completely perfect. I'm gonna keep on practicing, and then maybe eventually I'll come up with an updated video on how to apply eyelashes, but this is just for beginners. For beginners, this is not bad. Then you want to go ahead and, since obviously we're not experts, you're still gonna have like little visual of the glue until you get the handle on how much glue to put on the fake eyelash. You're still gonna be able to see a little bit of the glue, so that's why I suggest getting black glue for the eyelash. And then what you do is you just get one of your favorite black eyeliners or brown, it doesn't matter, and then you're gonna kind of disguise it so it can be better for you. But hey, this is my first try. It wasn't that bad, and yeah, it's doable for now. But yeah, once I get the hang of it, I'll come back again and I'll show you guys how I'm doing, so I'll give you an update. I'm gonna try and record for you guys the individual, how to apply individual eyelashes. Yeah, that one should be fun. But again, don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this video, if I actually taught you something. But again, this was just my experience and I had fun doing it. So again, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and let me know how you apply your eyelashes, and maybe I can learn from you. So thank you so much for watching, and you have a good one. Bye.